In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve PU test MCQs, that is the set S is equal to 1 divide n such that n belong to natural number has dash as cluster points. Solution, that is a finite set has no cluster points. The infinite set n has no cluster point, so n indicate natural number that is infinite. The set S is equal to 1 divide n such that n belongs to natural number as only the point 0 as a cluster point. So option A is correct, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.